So here's how to quick share on Samsung. First of all, we will start off by opening Gallery on the phone. From here, choose the photo you want to share. Then, tap on the share icon below as shown. Here, you can view all the available sharing options such as Facebook, Messenger, and many more. Tap on Quick Share. After that, you need to tap on Turn on Bluetooth to search for nearby devices. You can also select QR code or link to share. If you want to share files with contacts, even if they're not nearby, then go to the Share to Contact section. You can follow the same steps to share other files as well as photos and videos. And that's it. Following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and easily quick share on Samsung.